Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit your Twitter username. First, open your Twitter and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap the home button. Once you're on the home page, on the upper left part of your screen, tap your picture icon on Twitter. And here you'll need to scroll down and then select Settings and Privacy. Under Settings, you'll need to click Your Account. Then select Account Information. And here you'll see your existing Twitter username. Tap on the username and you'll have an option to type in your new or preferred username. There will be a prompt, and here just click Continue. Then type in your preferred username. Now, as you can see in here, there is an X red mark showing up. That means your preferred username is already being used by an existing account. So you'll need to think of another username that you can use. Once you see the green check mark, then you can click Done. Now we'll try to go back and refresh the app. Check on your profile, and as you can see in here, the username that we changed a while ago is already displayed on Twitter. And that's how you can edit your Twitter username. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching!